what's up, guys? On my way to the Progressive Center to get my car. We'll drop it off and get my rental. Due to stupid people in the Maryland area, as always. And here's where the dummy did the damage. Like, right there. Like a few scratches. Like, scratches under there. This, if you can see it, this popped out. So, like, in that mess. They gonna replace this because they didn't put this back on the other one. They did like a half-ass job when they replaced the bumper the last time. Like, how you gonna put one side on, one side off? And they gonna fix this from last time from like the deer. See where it's like cloudy and shit. Yeah, other than that, it's like good. She's good. I just don't hate being out without my baby. Like, this shit could have been like just avoided. So like, all he had to do was just back the fuck off. Cause I couldn't see shit. Yeah, it was like, it was dark. It was early in the morning. I couldn't see shit because he was like on my fucking bumper with bright ass lights, a big ass truck. So like, I'm trying to like slowly merge over because I can't see, and you know, I slowly merge over. I kind of get almost halfway in the lane, but not quite. I see this car like speeding, flying through. So I go back over and I slow down a little bit. I tap on my brakes to let them know I'm about to slow down. And then my exit's coming, car's still coming, so I slow down a little bit more, and like his dumb ass hit me. I don't think he was paying attention because that impact was too hard. Like he wasn't paying attention because he would have saw me brake. But then again, he was on my fucking bumper. This is why you don't fucking tailgate. And they even, like, the cop even said the same thing. Now, he don't think a car length. Well, first, he said he shouldn't have been tailgating in the first place. Especially if it's dark, you have a big truck with bright lights. And he said he don't think a car length. He said they should change it. He doesn't think a car length is enough space to react. It's not. It's seriously not. Yeah, man, like, it's ridiculous. Like, this shit could have been avoided if your dumb ass wasn't tailgating. Like my friends and stuff said, yes, I'm okay, but like I said, it just could have been avoided. Like, if he wasn't driving like an idiot, dude. It's alright for an American. I gotta tell y'all what it's alright. It's a little Chevy Cruze Hatch. Looks like a hatch. You know, like, it's bent. What the fuck? It's like, alright. I want a Subaru hatch though. Yeah, I hooked my phone up and everything. Got leather fucking seats. Hey, fuck you! Keep fucking beeping at me. I'm sorry. It's got leather seats and shit. Whatever. I think this is pleather. Whatever. I'm about to head my ass home to see what the dude's doing. There's a fucking French fry in here. Who the fuck is this? Yeah! Oh! Doing that shit on purpose, or it's just his car, or just possibly downshifting maybe. even got done editing a vlog about this shit. This about me coming here. And then I actually uploaded it today. Like when I left my credit card here and shit.
Did they charge you money? Did they?
Huh? Thank you.
Did they take any money off the money?
Oh, no.
They found they gave it back?
Yeah, they put it in the safe. My homie's going to his first car meet tonight. So, pop his little car meet cherry. He's on the phone with his people. So. No?
It's still hot?
No, it's why she's looking? Why she? Why she? Sure, I got baptized.
In the blood.
No, I didn't. In the blood. In the blood.
Baptized in the blood.
Shoot, man. Sure? Yeah. I'm recording your ass. Hey, you want to come in or go in?
Let's end this one. Tell me how I'm a joke. Like, tell me how my joke.
We're at the car meet, by the way. You can see that.
This month?
Take me serious.
They taking weird ass snaps and shit.
Like, tell me how my joke. Like, how my joke.
Oh, now you don't want to do nothing.
My ex want me back, but she don't understand that I want her mom now. Your time passed, bitch. I want your mama.
My ex want me back, but she don't understand that I want her mom now. Your time passed, bitch. I want your mama.
Oh my god.
She don't understand that I want her mom now. Your time passed, bitch. I want your mama. My ex want me back, but she don't understand that I want her mom now. Your time passed, bitch. I want your mama. My ex.
If we could get rid of some of you, it would be a little bit better. I can see it. Like, I went to Delicious today. I was like, Delicious, his head to this wall if he asked me one more question. Yeah, well, you kept talking.
You hear that rain? Time to go.
What? You say?
Right there, we're like,
Hold on, what'd you say?
So you hear that rain? I mean, it's
What rain?
I don't know anybody. Keep going up that road. I just, like, I had handed so much stuff out, and then all the cars that were parked outside, I just stuck stickers in my car. So I was like, I've got to get rid of all this stuff. I don't know what to do with it.
Yo, home, as you can see, sorry I didn't vlog much at the meet, but it was just a lot going on, and then, like, today just wasn't our day, and it just wasn't our past couple days, but, you know.
So much pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candles lit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation, cause they will put you down before you reach the destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation, keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed, and keep in mind, nigga, diamonds made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.